Good morning, friends. We are in the south of France for the next 4 days, and today we are exploring Nice.
We've got a lot of fun stuff planned, including a self-guided food tour.
It should be a lot of fun, so stick around.
Today we're heading to the south of France for a delicious adventure in Nice. Join us for a DIY food tour at the local market. We're sampling all the must-try local specialties, including Socca, pissaladière, and other incredible bites. After soaking up the sun on the stunning beaches of Nice, we'll cap off the day at a fantastic tapas restaurant for even more tasty food. If you love European food tours, settle in for a fun trip around Nice. Let's get started.
We are in Place Massena, which is named after one of France's greatest military leaders of the Napoleonic era. It's a pretty big square, and if the buildings seem vaguely Italian, it's because this was modeled after the city of Turin, which was actually the seat of power for the Savoy region, which Nice was part of. It's kind of crazy that this used to be not exactly part of Italy, but connected to Italy. That's pretty cool.
Place Massena has a pretty fun little fountain area that seems to be the place to be in a hot day other than the beach.
We've come to the Cours market, which is an open-air market. It's actually traditionally known for being a flower market, and it is sort of still. There are some areas where they're still selling flowers, and they are beautiful flowers, but it's also a bit of an artisanal market. They sell fruits, vegetables, jams, honey, meats, cheeses, and a regional specialty. We got Socca. It's like a chickpea crepe almost. So it should be interesting. Looks really good. They actually make it off-site in these giant pans, and then they bicycle it through the market to the stand where they sell it. It's got this really crispy texture, kind of almost like an egginess to it, like a consistency of egginess. Let's give it a try. The caramelized batter has a nice savoriness to it. I could use a little salt, but otherwise, this is the perfect start to the day.
We stopped by a stand with a lot of baked goods. We got these that look really good. They're called aragosteins. It's like a flaky pastry that's filled with some filling. We got various flavors, so I'm not sure what this one is. I think it might be vanilla. Very crispy and crunchy. You could hear a very loud crunch right there. That's very good vanilla flavor. Pretty tasty.
We're getting a little thirsty, so we picked up some strawberry melon juice. This looks really good. So refreshing. I love a good melon in the summer. That's not the only thing we got. Look at these things. They are incredible choux pastry. If you don't know what choux is, it's like the same dough that they use to make eclairs and stuff. So this is like a little pâte à choux. It's not filled, I believe, but we asked for it with cream. Oh, that's gonna be so good. So we filled it with some cream. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that is so good. It's refreshing. It's sweet, just not too sweet. This hits the spot. This was a winner for sure. I'm sure I have powdered sugar all over my face, but I don't even care. Well, we did a little more shopping. I got some herbe de Provence at this insane spice stand behind me. It was really hard to only get herbe de Provence. There are so many spices I would love to pick up here. We have a lot at home, so I'm resisting temptation right now. We also got some delicious olive seasoned salt, which sounds amazing, and some local olive oil too. So we're nearing the end of our Nice market walk, and we picked up a couple more foods to try. We've got some Nice specialties here. The first one we're trying is pissaladière. I'm not sure that I pronounced that right, but I did my best. I'm sorry. It's like a thin bread with roasted onions and spices and an olive. Sometimes it's also got an anchovy on it, but we did not get it with anchovies. I passed. Hard pass. Here we go. Oh my gosh. If you love onions, this is for you, seriously. It smells incredible. Let's dig in. Oh my gosh. So savory, so delicious. The onions are perfectly caramelized. This is amazing. The bread is like, it's not focaccia, it's kind of dense. It's a pretty good base for this. I like it. I think maybe just sprinkle a little bit of salt on top and it's perfect. So good.
We also got a torte tablette. It's a traditional torte, or kind of like a pie. It's got made with Swiss chard. And I think we got one with ham in it, but I don't know if I can tell that it's in there. We'll see when I taste it. Feels pretty soft on the outside. You know, I don't think I've ever had Swiss chard before, so I don't really know what to expect from that. It's almost like it's a little like kale-y or like floral almost or something, maybe, possibly. I think I do seem a little bit of meat. It's kind of like ground up though. It's not a super strong flavor, it's pretty mild. It's okay, it's not my favorite thing, that's for sure. I think if I had to pick between this and pissaladière, I would pick the pissaladière.
Our last stop for this little DIY food tour is Finocchio for some gelato. It's been hard to find good gelato in France, but hopefully we've got some. I've got some stracciatella and some salted caramel, so let's try it. This is exactly what I needed. It's such a cool, delicious, perfect combination on this hot, sunny day. Well, the heat was getting to us, and Nice is known to have a fantastic beach. So we went back to the hotel and changed, and we are heading to the beach. The beach was refreshing and the perfect call, I think.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We had so much fun. The water was super warm. If you do come to the beach in Nice, be sure to bring water shoes because it is super rocky and the shoes really help you. We're pretty hungry, so we're gonna go find some dinner. Well, we've come to Boca. It's a tapas restaurant. We don't have a reservation, so we have to eat quickly. The food here looks incredible. We've got several things to try. We've got roasted carrots, hummus, and some croquetas, and we have shakshuka coming later. It should be pretty good. I think I'll try the hummus first. It looks really good. Here we go. Oh my god. Garlicky, spicy, fresh. It's got, I think, maybe some za'atar seasoning. It is incredible, whatever it is. I can't wait to dig into the rest of this. This is really good.
We also got some croquetas, which looked really good. Nice fried balls. Wow. Look at that. I'm not sure what's all in here. It kind of looks like red pepper, maybe some cheese, and some chorizo. Wow, this is delicious. Also, we got a little bit of a kitchen chef's food. Check it out.
The rest of our food has come and it looks so good. We've got some keftas, which are like Mediterranean meatballs, I guess. They look really good. We also have some shakshuka right now. This is like a Moroccan dish. It's got red peppers, tomatoes, I believe it's feta cheese, and we've got some poached eggs in here. Let's dig right in. I think normally you might eat this with some pita bread, but we don't have any, so I'm just gonna use a fork. Cheers. Wow, that is so flavorful. It's just like a burst of spices in your mouth. It is so, so delicious. Dinner was very good. The hummus and the croquetas were both of our favorites. They were absolutely the best. So if you only come here and get two things, be sure to get those. But we're not done yet. Dessert has come and it is seriously insane. Look at this. Don't worry, it's not a solid bar of chocolate. Could you imagine? I believe it's filled with vanilla mascarpone cream, so let's dig in. Whoa, this is gonna be delicious. I just know it. There's no way it's gonna be bad. Give me chocolate any day and I'm happy. This is wonderful. We had so much fun exploring Old Town Nice and doing a DIY food tour. Dinner was fantastic tonight and we are just exhausted. So we will see you in the next one.
We've got a lot of fun stuff planned, including a self-guided food. We've got a lot of fun stuff planned, including a
It's a big, huge, squarish space. It's got like a delicious, I don't even know, kind of eggy texture. I describe a lot of things as eggy today, apparently, but if the shoe fits, you know. Well, we did a little more shopping. I got some herbe de Provence at this insane salt. It's not just
spice.
The rest of our food has come and it looks so good.